Okay, we're looking at the ANSON 207 flange bearing. We just looked at it over here. This is the material we're talking about here, urethane. Okay. So your carbon is represented. Let's say you have, now carbon and graphite have a strong relationship. I'm going to let you look that up on your own, but let's say they're represented in the same sheet of paper. How do you get them, how do you keep them separated? Well, your graphite might be C with the subscripts lowercase g, like that, graphite, or it could just be written out C lowercase graphite in the parenthetical markings, versus carbon here, S lowercase subscript parenthetical marking, carbon here, okay? Could be represented like that. If you have carbon and graphite on the same sheet of paper or even in the same formula somewhere, that would sort of distinguish them from from each other. I've seen them done different ways, but just remember that graphite and carbon, one comes from the other, okay? So that's where we're at. Molybdenum disulfide is where we were. MO in the periodic table, S is for the sulfur. And graphite, we just went over that. Okay, so your periodic table, we got some atomic numbers here we're going to discuss. So your periodic table is your carbon here, your hydrogen is an H, nitrogen, oxygen. Molybdenum here is capital M, lowercase o, and sulfur is your single S. Okay, and your atomic numbers are associated with that. So your atomic number for carbon, 6, hydrogen 1, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, molybdenum 42, sulfur 16. Okay, and they're associated atomic numbers. So that's what we got there. That's the urethane. That's the rundown, okay? We're gonna go over the insert types. There's 3 more, but we just covered urethane right here. That's the black stuff in between the red. Okay, that's your middle in your Oreo cookie. So again, it's urethane, not polyurethane. Urethane, molybdenum disulfide, and graphite. Only 2% of that. 98% of that is urethane. And this stuff here, the one summary I read is that the molybdenum and the graphite is, how did they put it? It's the urethane is impregnated with, sounds kind of naughty, but the urethane was impregnated with molybdenum disulfide and graphite. The other 3 choices are babbitt, zinc aluminum, and bronze, and we're going to look over that here coming up. Those are the other 3 options.